What's your name?
My name is Happy.
Jerry. How are you, Jerry?
I'm
I'm
happy.
happy. How old are you?
I'm 4
4 years old. Yes? Or 5? 4? 4 years old. Okay. Are you ready, Jerry?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now look at this Jerry. Can you tell me what's this? What's this? Read. Very good. What's this? Bread. What's this, Jerry? Look at this. Umbrella. Next. Leaf. Very good. Hat. Mouth. Very good. Next, what are you wearing? I'm wearing tea. I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing dress. I'm wearing shirt. Okay. Now here, how's the weather? It's windy. It's sun. It's snow. It's rainy. Okay, here. What do you see? I see cloud. I see hill. I see sky. I see rainbow. Very good. Here, Jerry, what happened? What says jaguar, jellyfish. Next, jacket, juice, jam. Good job. Next, what says rap? Very good. Next, let's say and then what command is it? Okay. Next, zip up. Put on. Wow! Great job. Next, last one. Can you see what's this? What do you see? I see what's this? I see cloud. Next, I see very good. I see tree. What animal is it? Rabbit. What's the color? It's white. Very good. What is this?